Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Bulova Automatic Watch, Model 98A214. Imported. Sophisticated design with full exhibition dial and caseback. Stainless steel and gold tone screwback case, skeletonized silver white 3-hand dial revealing the intricate workings of the self-winding 21 jewel movement. Domed mineral crystal, stainless steel and gold tone bracelet with push-button deployant clasp and water resistance to 30 meters. Domed mineral crystal. Item shape, round. Calendar type, year.